And if you don't know about Mr. DIY, I mean, what are you really doing with your life? I have a really huge Mr. DIY haul.
It's not real, I don't even wanna go back home. What is this love and war? He know that I love him, got him fucking me raw.
Hi guys, my name is Disha and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you must have already read it from the title, it's a DIY haul. I don't know if you guys know Mr. DIY, and if you don't know about Mr. DIY, I mean, what are you really doing with your life? Mr. DIY is a store just like Miniso. You get cute stuff, affordable stuff, fancy stuff, pink stuff, cute stuff. Okay, it's basically a representation of my personality. I have a really huge Mr. DIY haul. Let me put it out there. All these products I haven't bought at one go. This is collective haul. I have visited the store like five eight times by now and I'm really obsessed, and every time I visit मैं कुछ ना कुछ लेकर आती हूँ. So मैंने थोड़ी चीज़ें इकट्ठा करके now I'm gonna making a huge haul. So yeah, just wanted to put it out there. So I'm gonna start showing all products randomly, and trust me, this would be the cutest video and I'm gonna show you. You're gonna obsess over it, and I was really excited to make a video on this. So let's start. So the very first thing I have is a coded lock. It's pink, and yeah, disclaimer, I'm gonna use the word pink, cute, obsessed in this video. Just get along with me. And I don't remember the price, but I guess कि 50-60 रुपए का था यार. I mean बहुत cute सा है. मैं आपको एक zoom overview दे दूँगी इसका. And yeah, don't mind my nails यार. Every time I make a video, मेरे nails तो मतलब organize ही नहीं रहते हैं. This is a pink cute lock. Oh my god, this is so cute. The moment I saw, I was like, I want it. I want to own it. Okay. So yeah, this is sort of like 60-70 bucks. The next thing I have is a diary, and oh my god, just look at it. I'm a diary hoarder. I buy diary and I do not use it because I'm like मुझे waste नहीं करना, so I just hoard over it. Just look at it. Oh my god, it's so cute. It is like single line wala diary, and I have started with my notes in here, and this was for like 40 rupees. 40 freaking rupees. So yeah. And now I have bottles, like I have 2 of them because they had like these 2 very colors and they were screaming out to me कि मुझे खरीद लो. Oh my god, you wanna hear the price? It's freaking 33 rupees, you know. I mean, I'm gonna open and show you how cute it is. Oh my god, trust me, ये सब चीज़ें ना Amazon पे बहुत महंगी मिलती है, like 100 के नीचे मिलेंगी नहीं. Just look at it. It also has a marking, if you can see. I'm gonna zoom in the video. It's pink. It has spray, also it has a cap, and this is how it looks. Only for freaking 33 rupees. And they had like purple color also isme. I had to buy it. Yeah, come on. Next, again, my obsession with pink goes on, and this is a scissor, nothing fancy. The packaging is cute, and the price for this is like 63 rupees, and this is just a random purchase. By the way, I have random stuff in here, so don't mind. I mean, and this is a makeup beauty sponge, and this was for 77 rupees. I'm not gonna lie, trust me, you can see it right here. It's like 77 freaking bucks. I'm gonna open and show it to you all. And like it is luxury, like for 77 rupees ना they are giving you this plastic container also, और उसके अंदर इतने अच्छे से रखा हुआ है. This is a sponge, like whenever you wanna wipe your face pack off, you can use this. I bought this mini tin trunk, and this was for I guess 120 or 220 rupees, which I feel is good. It came with a lock जो अभी फ़िलहाल है नहीं यहाँ. Oh my god, can you see? I'm so excited to make this video. I've never been excited. So here comes random stuff. Can you see this? I just bought this for my niece. Isn't this cute? This is like rubber bands and all this. This was like pretty cheap. Next up I have is this hair styling का कुछ सामान. I saw like few YouTube videos on this. It is like really you have to put तुम्हारा बाल उसमें, and then you have to roll it and makes like a really nice bun with 0 efforts. And this was for, just guess how much this was for. It's for 21 rupees. Like 21 रुपए में दे रहे हैं यार, मतलब कितने में ख़रीदा है. And yeah, this is a cute watermelon popsicle eraser, again for my niece. And I have and here is like oil absorbing blotting paper. It's really good. You get like 80 sheets for like 63 rupees, and this is how it looks. It was pretty cheap to me. And coming to this only ladies things, I have bra straps. Oh my god, you know, if you want to buy bra strap now दुकानों में मत जाओ, just go here, and it is so freaking cheap यार. So I bought this very fancy cute looking blue and glitter printed bra strap. Can you see how beautiful this is? What do you think कितने का होगा? 100 का होगा, 120 का होगा ना? This is only for 23 rupees. I mean this is the only one piece left. Here is another one. This is the transparent one, and this is for 33 rupees. You can just see right here. See again, यहाँ लिखा है made in China, so I'm really not sure कि ये सारे, you know, Mr. DIY is a China-based store or क्या. I mean, you can just Google about it, and you can look out for stores like near your place. And yeah, and sticking to the only woman thing, I have these many bra attachments, bra extender, I guess इसको bra extender बोलते हैं. I have it in black color, powder blue color, beige color, white color, and I had like एक और. So this is only for 19 rupees यार. And you know what, this on Nykaa it is for like 250 rupees, Flipkart पे it is for like 150 rupees, and Amazon पे it is for like, you know, 100 के ऊपर ही है. You wouldn't get this for 19 rupees anywhere. Even if you go in stores now, just let me know if you get this for such cheaper rates, because I don't know, like, you know, you're having trouble with your bra fittings from the back, you can extend this one. So yeah, that's how it works. You have a bunch of colors. They also had pink color, fuchsia color. So these are like very basic colors. I got them. And here I have as a 3D nail sticker, again very random, and this retails for like 59 rupees. Yeah, बाकी सारी चीज़ों से I feel this is overpriced and expensive. Basically you just have to stick this over your nails and file it and all that jazz. So I haven't used it yet, but yeah, that's how it is. And the star of the show, I mean, yeah, there are more products, don't worry. The star of the show is this bow. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I'm so freaking obsessed with this bow. I'll show you how it is. They have a clip, you know, and the quality and all is very nice. Oh my god, these such kind of clips were trending on Instagram, and they were like for like 450 bucks, 350 bucks. Even on Amazon, I guess I saw these were like very expensive. And just guess कि कितने का है ये. It is for 65 rupees. क्या ही guess करोगे. And then I bought a very cute gift bag. This is how it is. It has velcro over here, and you can like, you know, put candies or like, you know, put nail polish and gift it to anybody. It's cute, and this was for 14 rupees. This is the cheapest product here. And yeah, coming to stickers, I love stickers. I like collecting stuff even though I don't use them, but I just want to own them. So these are like very cute stickers. I just bought कि अगर makeup में लगेगा तो these are for like 55 rupees. Oh my god. And here is a face sticker. This is how it looks. This is for 51 rupees. And here is another one which I bought it for the very first time, and again this is for like 51 rupees. It's very cheap. And here is a mirror I bought. You know, you can travel with this mirror, and you just have to open this mirror and you can adjust it, like, you know, like this. You can adjust it and you can travel with it, and the quality is also good. I'm gonna show you. This is how it looks. Yeah, you can see my shooting setup right there, and the mess behind it, just don't mind. This was for 109. I don't mind paying 109 rupees, okay? I mean, it's cheap. It's legit cheap. And then I bought a laundry, what do you call this? Laundry bag. And this is for 49 rupees. Amazon pay, I was looking out for a laundry bag for my undergarments. So basically laundry bag is like a bag. Usme you put your delicate clothing like your undergarments, and you put it in the washing machine, and just like, you know, so that all the like lacy material and all the delicate material is not ruined in the washing machine. And this was for 49 rupees. I was looking out for a laundry bag for a long time on Amazon, and all were like, you know, 150 bhi nahi, actually 200, 250, 300, 350, and I just saw this and I had to have it. And the size is pretty big, you know, they have like various sizes. ये वाला शायद से सबसे छोटा था, but turn out to be very big. Like, you know, you can put, there's a zip, you can open the zip, put in your undergarments, zip it back and just throw it in the washing machine, and you don't have to wash your undergarments by your hand. I mean, I don't though, but still. And again, here is another miscellaneous. This is a gift wrapping sheets. Like, you know, suppose you have a birthday party, and if you want to give out candies, or if you want to just give out any food items or like nail paints and all that shit, you can just take this, you can put it, and you can seal lock. And this was for 61 rupees, and it has how many, I don't know how much. Yeah, it has 10 sheets, and this is in the flamingo print. They had such cute prints. I really wanted to get them all, but you know, if you visit such stores, you gotta control yourself. And I mean, yeah, I know there are stuff, you know, which are like very lame stuff and which are useless, but it's okay. I don't know if I showed you guys this. This is a freaking cute eraser. Oh my god, it's pink and all this. Again, this is for my niece, and it was very cheap, under the budget. I guess that's all for my Mr. DIY haul. Okay, so I forgot to show you these two amazing products. ये glitter pillow है, which I bought for only 350 rupees each, and this comes with pillow and case. You can see what I'm doing. वो आप ऐसे glitter को कर सकते हो. मैंने black and silver color में लिया, and the quality is amazing. And I also bought it in golden and black color, and it looks aesthetically pleasing. Amazon पे सिर्फ इसका cover I guess 350 का था, so बहुत अच्छा quality, and I really got it in an amazing deal. The cheapest product in this haul was like 19 rupees. And let me give you a few pointers, just hear me out. At the store, and if you really like this product, if you suppose if you see any products, so now just buy it. You know, if you really want to have that product, just buy it, because the next time you would visit that product, now that product might not be there. Because I have visited a Mr. DIY store, like I visit that store every 3 or 4 weeks, and I have noticed that कि you know, कुछ product था, and I didn't buy it, but then I came back home and I was like thinking about that product, and I thought that next time I would go and buy it, but next time it wasn't there and it was out of stock. And there are few products in Mr. DIY जो एक बार out of stock हो गया ना, वो आता नहीं है. In fact, I have these cute fur slippers. I'm gonna insert a picture here. I bought this like long bag. I guess I bought this long bag, and you know, it was for like 300 to 350 bucks, and it really lasted me a long time. You know, I still have it, and I really love it, and it's pink and cute. Who wouldn't love this, right? So yeah, I mean, but now that slipper got ruined, and I really wanted to stock up on another pair, but वहाँ पे था ही नहीं. Yeah, I mean, just, you know, if you visit the store, अगर तुम्हें कोई चीज़ एकदम अच्छी लग रही है, then just buy it, you know, because next time you visit that store, that thing might not be there on the shelves. But कुछ product, you know, they don't stock up on few products. So if you are a hoarder, if you like cute stuff, and if you like buying such cute stuff, then you gotta stock up, right? Because later then you're gonna regret, just like me. Even I regret few products जो मुझे stock up कर लेने चाहिए थे, but it's okay, it's life, it happens. I know it hurts, but it's okay. I'll move on somehow. So yeah, that's all for my Mr. DIY haul. And if you like this video, if you liked watching all these cute stuff, do not forget to hit like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, one more thing, please comment down which was your favorite product from this haul. I would really love to know. If you are like somebody like me who's like more into pink, what did you like from this haul? Because I'm very excited to know what did you like from this haul. And I guess this was the cutest haul. I've seen zillion of hauls on YouTube, but I feel I'm not like, you know, I mean, I just feel mine was the cutest. I mean, I don't know, I just feel that I have picked out very cute and very affordable stuff. That's all for my Mr. DIY haul. I really loved filming this video, and if you enjoyed watching this one, then do not forget to hit like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down your favorite product. I would really love to chat with you in the comment section. And that's all, and I would see you in my next video. Bye.
Do you want to know?